Alright everyone, welcome to another video on my channel, and I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently for like the next few weekends going onwards, and I'm going to try and get in some F-sharp tutorials into the weekend, right? So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song Jehovah is Your Name in F-sharp. So in the bottom piano, I'm still going to use A flat as I always do, and in the top one, which is the MIDI one, you guys are going to be seeing it in F sharp. So but I'm still using the numbering system, so even if you are using a different key, you can still transcribe it, so transpose it to that key. Let's get into it. So what are we playing here? Right? So left hand's starting off on a 6. Then right hand can be doing just a basic 3, 5, 1, right? Or you can change it up a bit and do maybe like a 1, 2, 5, 1 in your right hand, or in your left hand you can, if you can do the stretchies, you can do a 6, 3, 1, and then right hand just does a 2, 5, 1. So right, or you can do a 2, 3, 5, 1 in your right hand, right? Right. So now left hand can do a 7, 5, 7. Right hand can do a 2, 5, 2. Left hand can then do a 1, 5, 1. Or right hand does a 3, 5, 7, 3. So left hand is doing a 4 octave, while right hand is doing a 6, 1, 3, 6. Then we're going to do a passing chord progression, because that was Jehovah is your name. Now passing progression. So 2, 3, then left hand's doing a 2, 1, 2, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 4. Now left hand's doing a 3, 1, 3, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. Now left hand's doing a 4, 1, 2, right hand's doing a 4, 6 flat 2. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 2, 5, 7. Left hand's doing a 6 octave, right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Left hand's doing a 7, 5, 7. Right hand's doing a 2, 5, 2. Then left hand goes to a 5, 4, 5. And then right hand goes to a 1, 4, 5, 1. Now we're resolving back to the 1. So left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1. Right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5, 1. Now I'm just doing like a passing progression to get back to playing Jehovah's Your Name again. So 2, 3. Left hand's doing a 5, 4, 5. Right hand's doing a 6, 1, 4, 3. Left hand's doing a 5 octave. Right hand's doing a 4, 6, 1. Alright. and we repeat to the 3. Then now, instead of just going to your name, which is a 4, right, you can do this Jehovah 2, 3. Passing progression here, left hand's doing a 5, right hand's doing a 4, 7 flat, 2. Now left hand's doing a 1, 7 flat, right hand's doing a 3, 7 flat, 2. Now we're at the 4 again, right, then Jehovah is your name. Now we're gonna go to the chorus, so you're playing my, so what are you playing there? I like to keep the chords simple, like I don't really do those stretchy stuff, but you guys can do it if you want to. And it's literally just playing the roots, but then you're removing the actual middle notes of the root chord. So if you're doing a 1, you're removing the 3. Right, so if you're doing the 1 chord, the 1, 3, 5, you're moving the 3 and putting that an octave higher. If you're doing the 4 chord, you're moving the 6, doing an octave higher. And same with the 5. Right, so we're doing the 1 chord here. Right, left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1, right hand's doing a 7, 2, 3, 5. Mighty warriors, left hand's doing a 2, 1, 2, right hand's doing a 4, 7 flat, 1, 4. Left hand's doing a 3, 1, 3, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. So mighty, great in battle. So now left hand's doing a 2, 1, 2 again, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 4. Back to the 3 over 1 chord, 1 over 3 chord. So left hand's doing a 3, 1, 3, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. Left hand's doing a 4, 1, 2, right hand's doing a 4, 6, 2, but you can make the 6 flattened if you want. So left hand stays the same, right hand will do a 4, 5, 1, 5 chord. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 2, 5, 7. Left hand's doing a 6 octave, right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Left hand's doing a 7, 5, 7, right hand's doing a 1, 5, sorry, a 2, 5, 2. Then you go back to suspended chords, left hand's doing a 5, 5, 4, 5, or 5 only, and then right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Right? Left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1, right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5, 1. We're suspending it, we're passing, doing a passing chord again, just to suspend it on the 5, or you can say the 4 or 5, because left hand's doing a 5 octave and right hand's pretty much doing that 4 chord, but you're adding the 5, so it's 6, 1, 4, adding the 5. And then you're doing a 1 octave, left hand, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3, 5. So right, so what are we doing here, right? Then we're gonna, after we do that 1, right hand's gonna stay the same, but left hand's gonna go to a 6 now. You can even do the octave. Right, so left hand will do a 6 octave, right hand will do a 5, 1, 3, 5. then every single note is going to go a semitone lower. So the 6th octave is going to go to a 6 flat octave. Then this 5 is going to go to a 5 flat. This 1 is going to go to a 7. This 3 is going to go to a 3 flat. And this 5 is going to go to a 5 flat. So you're going to be playing a 6 flat octave. And then in your right hand, you can be playing 5 flat, 7, 3 flat, 5 flat. Now left hand's going to be playing, we're going a semitone lower again. So left hand's going to now be playing a 5 octave. Right hand's going to be playing a 4, 7 flat, 2, 4. Now left hand's going to be playing a 1, 7 flat. Right hand's going to be playing a 3, 6, 2, 3. Great in battle. So left hand's going to be playing a 2, 1, 2. Right hand's going to be playing a 4, 6, 1, 4. Same way that you played before. Jehovah, your name. Right, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and yes, till next time guys, stay blessed.